The subtle art of alluring and attracting women can be a tough concept to understand. The unfortunate reality is that far too many men struggle with this. When opportunity presents itself, a lot of men are lost for words and end up pooping their pants just after mumbling a few words. So the obvious solution here is learning how to speak and interact with women. However, this takes time and patience. So right off the bat, the first thing to acknowledge is that not all women are the same, which means that you'll have to tailor your approach to each individual girl that you are trying to attract. This may take some practice, however, over time and with a little effort, this is a skill that anyone could master. A combination of a few of these techniques will be required to create a lasting impression and ensure your success with women. So with that said, here are 7 mindsets that attract women like crazy. Number 1. Generate an aura of mystery. One way to create instant attraction with women is to generate an aura of mystery. Women are attracted to men who are a challenge and unpredictable. If you can make yourself seem like a mystery, then chances are she will be more likely to be attracted to you. A great way to create mystery is to be a little bit aloof in your conversations with her. Don't give her everything all at once. Keep her guessing and she will be more likely to be attracted to you. Another good way to generate mystery is to be unpredictable. Don't always do what she expects or wants you to do. This will make her more intrigued about you and will keep her guessing. This is a strange but powerful technique, however it's important to use it only every now and then. If you are always mysterious, then sooner or later she will get bored. But keep in mind that the key is to be a challenge. If you are too simple to figure out, then she will lose interest. Yet if you can keep her guessing, she will be more likely to be allured by you. Number 2. Provoke attraction triggers. These are things that will automatically make her feel attracted to you. The best way to do this is through triggering. Triggering is a powerful psychological concept that states we are attracted to things that remind us of something else that we are attracted to. So if you can relate yourself with things she is already attracted to, she will automatically be attracted to you as well. This means that you relate yourself with positive things in her life. For example, if she is having a good time, you want to be the reason for it. You want to be the one who makes her laugh or the one who makes her feel good. This will create a strong correlation between you and positive emotions. Another way to use triggering is to associate yourself with things that she wants. If she wants to be successful, you want to be the one who helps her achieve it. This will make her see you as someone who can help her get what she wants in life. The key here is to be authentic and genuine. You don't want to try to make her feel good just to get something from her. You want to come across as honest and genuine as possible, in order to achieve the desired effect. Number 3. Access her limbic system. A great way to attract women like crazy is to access her limbic system. This is the part of the mind that controls emotions and desire. And if you can get to this part of her mind, then you will be able to create a strong emotional connection with her. There are a few ways that you can do this. One way is to use body language. The way you stand, the way you move, and the way you touch her can all be used to create a strong emotional reaction in her. Another way to access her limbic system is through your voice. The tone, the pitch, and the volume of your voice can all be used to create an emotional response in her. And finally, you can use words to access her limbic system. The words you say and how you say them can have a powerful effect on her emotions. That's why you have to be careful about the words you use when trying to create attraction. By combining all 3 of these techniques, you will be able to touch her emotions. The tricky part is to get her to feel those emotions without her being aware of them. You'll understand how powerful this can be once you see the results for yourself. Number 4. Generate rapport. This is a process of building trust and understanding between you and the woman you are talking to. It's important to remember that women are very intuitive and they can pick up on the slightest changes in your voice and body language, so you must be genuine in your interactions with her. You want to make sure that she feels like she can trust you and that you understand her. The best way to do this is to be a good listener. Listen to what she has to say and pay attention to her nonverbal cues. This will help you understand her better and build a strong connection with her. The best way to build rapport is to mirror her body language. This means that you mimic her nonverbal cues, the way she speaks and the way she moves. This will create a sense of familiarity between the two of you, and make her feel more comfortable with you. Just make sure you don't look like a fool, otherwise you will just creep her out. Number 5. Build sexual tension. The next mindset to adapt is knowing how to build sexual tension. This is done by creating a sense of anticipation and excitement in her. You want her to feel like something is about to happen between you two. The best way to do this is through flirting. Flirting is all about playing with her emotions. You want to make her feel good, but you also want to keep her guessing. The key is to be playful and fun. And most importantly, you want to make sure that she is always thinking about you. You have to be subtle. You don't want to come on too strong or you will scare her away. But if you can be flirty and fun, then you will be able to build a sexual tension that will make her want more. Just pay attention to her body language and you will know when you are pushing it too far. You don't want to make her uncomfortable, you just want to turn her on. Number 6. Understand females' subliminal primal needs. This is a little bit more in depth, however it's still important to understand. Women have 3 primal needs: protection, acceptance and love. Protection is the need to feel secure and protected. This is why women are attracted to men who are strong and confident. They want to feel like they can trust you and that you will take care of them. Acceptance is the need to feel connected and have a sense of belonging. This is why women are attracted to men who are supportive and understanding. They want to feel like they belong with you and that you accept them for who they are. Love is the need to feel loved, appreciated and of course, the sexual satisfaction that comes with it. This is not to say that women only want sex, but it is important for their basic needs. Attempt to make her laugh at least a few times throughout the day and be playful with her. For whatever reason, women believe that if you can make her laugh, then you can make her happy in bed. When you understand these needs, you can appeal to them in your conversations with women. This will make them feel more connected to you and will increase the chances of them being attracted to you. Number 7. Utilize the push-pull method. So you're talking to a girl that you just met, and you're both anxious since there's massive sexual energy. After a few conversational exchanges, hit her with a playful compliment or a slick sexual innuendo. Sexy flirting can be complicated, however not always off limits if you can execute it well, which means playfully in the right setting and without coming off as creepy. If you're not confident using sexual innuendo, keep it surface with a playful compliment. However, here's the crucial part: simply drop the mic and walk away. Now here's the other super important piece to executing this perfectly. You have to casually walk away to a place where she can follow, since the main goal is to get her to follow you. And now you have her chasing you instead of the other way around. So don't walk away to the men's bathroom or to your intimidating group of guy friends. Instead head somewhere neutral, like the bar counter or a cocktail table, and stay approachable. The trick is to leave her slightly confused, but with the door wide open so she can easily approach you. These are just a few mindsets that attract women like crazy. Remember, it's important to be genuine, fun and mysterious. If you can do these things, you will be able to create a strong connection with her and she will be attracted to you like crazy.